My name's Elliot Kent. I'm a farmer in Te Pahu, dairy farmer, dry stock farmer, bit of growing a few crops, and also a helicopter pilot for precision helicopters, and applying more and more Agrisea. Every year we seem to be applying more and going back to the same customers, and quite often picking up the neighbour next door. He's looked over the fence and had a pretty good look at what's happening next door, and yeah, that's actually how I started applying it. I saw what Ant was doing here on this farm, and I bought hired a little dairy farm next door, and yeah, could see the benefits of the soil, of what was improving, the worms, and thought, well, best I give it a go. Agrisea is particularly good. We do apply various things, and Agrisea we've found to be real good to apply. Just straight through the normal spray gear, no issues, pump it out of the pods. Yeah, there's no sediment left in the bottom of the pods, like there is with some products, and no, it is very, very user friendly here to apply for us, which makes our job a lot easier, and it makes for a better job for the farmer.